Hey there. Got a paper check and don't want to make a trip to the bank? Depositing a check with Bank of America's mobile app is a secure and super convenient way to turn that check into cash in your account. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. Open your Bank of America mobile app and tap the menu icon, then select Deposit Checks. You'll choose the account to deposit into. Endorse the check by signing the back and writing, "For mobile deposit at Bank of America only." Use your phone's camera to take clear pictures of the front and back of the check. Enter the amount, review the details, and hit submit. You'll get a confirmation, and funds are usually available within 1 business day, often faster. My crucial pro tip? Hold on to the physical check for at least 5 business days. After you get the confirmation, write "deposited" date on it and store it safely. Only destroy it after you're sure the funds have fully cleared and appear in your available balance. This is your backup. Just like that, you've handled your banking from anywhere, anytime. Do you still get many paper checks, or is your life mostly digital payments now? Let me know in the comments. If tech-savvy banking guides help you, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.